What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. Today we had an inside day. We're able to make money both ways today, actually. So it was a really good day. Two trades, one long and one short. I'm going to be breaking it all down. So if you're ready, let's step into the war zone. So why don't you guys let me know where you're tuning in from tonight? Let me throw some of your names up on the screen, show you some love and appreciation. So we have Roop in the building. What's going on? Hi, Rich. Was a great day today. Traded Facebook and SPY, morning fibs, earned good profits. Thank you. Thank you. Happy Hookers Fishing. What's going on, brother? Am I lagging a bit here? Hey, Rich, great calls today. Big love from sunny Minnesota. Is that Minnesota? I think it is, right? Roman, what's going on, brother? Good to see you. Mike in the building. Good to see you. Luca, Rowdy, Whiskey Ginger, Trading Wars Army in the building. Good to see you guys. All right, let's step right into it. Boom. So we're going to hit the bar replay. And as always, we're going to draw the previous day's high and low. We always want to see where we're opening, because where we're opening is going to determine how we want to trade. So I'm going to go ahead here and I'm going to switch over to the 3-minute chart today. And you're going to see why in a bit. So here we go. First candle comes in a nice, big, powerful green bar, right? And hit me with a 1 if you see that this is an inside open, okay? We're in the middle of the high and the low, literally in the middle. If you take a fib and you stack it on the low to the high like this, you'll see we're literally on that 50 right there, okay? So that right there for me was, okay, I'm not going to take an opening range breakup. Never, okay? Because I just know the odds are not on my side. So let's go to the commentary, okay? So set to be another inside open today. We need to be careful. Could be lots of chop, option premium killing. Let's size down today. No need to force anything. We need patience. So this was at 9:34 this morning where I was just flipping in between the charts and I saw this 3-minute inside bar. All right. And I really wanted to try this inside bar because it was very tight. You could see it had a nice long wick to the downside too. So what I was thinking here was, okay, we have an inside open. We're going to see some chop. Like, even though this candle looks really bullish, there's a good chance that it's just going to be a fake up, right? Because we know that the inside day, we like to chop up and down. So we went short right here when we broke the low of that candle. You could see right here, we went short. I was targeting 420 and then we kept going lower here. I'll show you. We popped through, boom, bang. There we go. So that was our big play in the morning. It's about 25% on the options, 20 points on futures. Really, really nice move with a very tight risk because we're just risking the high of this bar. So very good, about 2 or 3 bars right there. If you went to the 5-minute, you would also see there was also an inside bar here. And so some people were not fast enough to catch the 3-minute, but they did catch the 5-minute. So we had that 5-minute inside bar right there. And that one was a winner. Okay. And just like what we expect, we start to see this back and forth action here on the actual open. Okay. Because we know it's an inside open. We're expecting to see a back and forth. So that's why I always cover quickly. So we had actually this morning Fibonacci leg right here, which Derry took, my younger brother. He took this one here. He went short on the 618, 786, and 90. He went short on all these 3 levels. We pushed back down here, guys, and he was targeting a new low, but you could see we actually turned around and got stopped out. So that's going to happen sometimes. And what actually happened here was the bull algo stepped in on this side right here on the 618. And that bull algo was stronger than the bear algo, and that's why we squeezed higher. So first play was a short, and then I'm going to show you we have one more play that came through, which was the trigger trade. So the trigger trade was 423.67 long. So I'm just going to draw this for you guys here. Hit me with a 5 if you're having a good time. Good to see you guys. Appreciate you guys here every day learning. So our entry was 423.67. Stop was 421.20. So these are these trigger trades. I always post them the night before. These are automated trades. Okay. And I really like this one today just because we started to move extremely bullish near the middle of the day. So here we go. Here is our plan. We came through. Boom, 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 hanging around. Then we get filled, right? And then you'll see. So this one was actually like a triple trigger. So we had that first fill, we came back down, we popped again, triggered again, came back down again. Then we came back up one last time. And on this third time was that big push up. So you could have played this trigger level right here. You could have played this level multiple times today. It was really, really nice level. And you could see, right, we started to resist at the previous day's high. Every single time every time we get into that area, we had a little push down. And then you'll see we had one more setup here. This one I didn't take, but this is what we call the afternoon leg that I talk about in my book, right? We just go ahead from here to the low, to the high, and then we actually tag the 50 right here, guys. And remember, one thing that I've been teaching you guys is about the Holy Grail pattern. And the Holy Grail pattern is the outside inside pattern right here, which comes in yellow. So you could see we had a beautiful Holy Grail into the close. This one as well was a nice scalp, but this one was a big, big winner into the close, as well as a last minute Nirvana, which played out very nicely. Have you updated your fib settings that you use versus your earlier fib videos? No, you can use the same ones. I've been doing a lot of testing on new levels. So, but the original ones are still good. I'm still working through some of these new fibs that I've been practicing. But I will say this, guys, a very fair day on SPY. Opportunities to make money long and short. It was a very good day, very fair, very methodical. Hit me with a 10 if you follow that recap, if that made sense to you. All right. And then we also had one of the trades on the 15-minute chart, which was a part of our 100 trade challenge. We had this Holy Grail that came around, what time was this? I think around 11. And then we had this pop up. So we broke the high and we actually went for 2 times our money here on this Holy Grail. It went double and then it came back down and then it popped back up. And then eventually we had this little trap wick here that pushed out and then it popped. But you still could have made money on this move from here to here. That was about 2 times. So definitely very good day. 15-minute, 5-minute, 3-minute. There was so many opportunities. You just have to be unbiased. Like I said, these days with all the headlines and the news and stuff, you just be unbiased. You just trade what's in front of you. Okay. So we also had some stock picks today that went really crazy. So Procter & Gamble was one of my picks from last night. We just squeezed through here on Procter & Gamble. I'll go to a 5. We just popped up at the open with a gap up, opening range breakout, and we squeezed. We also had General Motors, which had a very, very big opening candle. We did a little bit of a fib action right here. I'll show you. We went from low to high. We came back down and we retest that 90 and then we just squeezed higher. And we had Oracle, which was a beautiful little retest and then pop. And then we had JP Morgan, which was probably the most difficult one on the day because it was kind of sideways. But definitely a very good trading day on the picks and on everything. And we'll just keep going from here and keep trading. So we don't have any losers this week so far on SPY. We are 100% winners. So my job now is to try to protect the money and try to finish the week green. So we have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Be careful. You already made money. Don't do anything stupid. Okay. As a reminder, guys, the Trading Wars seminar is going to be this Saturday for members. We've had a lot of people actually recently sign up. So here we go. The seminar is going to be this Saturday at 1 to 2:30. I'm going to go detailed in all of the results, the recaps, strategies, small accounts, everything. And if you have all 3 of my books, you get access for free. Okay. So really, really, trying to give back to the people that support me over the years. So there we go. Otherwise than that, guys, great day. If we go back to SPY and we just look at the daily chart here. So, we've been talking about these fibs for a very long time. And I said this yesterday, right? I said that we're back at the 786 again, which was right here yesterday. And we held it. So the bulls are not done yet. They have not thrown in the towel. They defended the 786, which they needed to, right? Because as long as this low held, they're still in the game. So the bulls right now are still defending this fib, and they're looking to complete this move here where they want to actually come back and retest this high at 441. So this is the line in the sand right here now, 415.20s. Right around here is the line in the sand. If this line can hold, the bulls can continue to defend and push higher. But if this goes first, I would expect to see a lot more downside. So we just keep it simple. We take it level by level. All right. Okay. So there we go. Quick 10-minute recap. I'm not doing anything crazy. I want to keep it nice and simple. Hit me with a 4 if you enjoyed the stream, and we'll go from there. So nothing really else, just taking it trade by trade every single day and keep going. How did you find plays like Oracle, Procter and Gamble? I have my own scanners in my room. I just run the scanners. I don't do anything fancy. I just scan. I have my conditions and I get a list. And then names like Procter and Gamble and Oracle, I've been trading for a very long time. So I understand that those can move. So that's why those are always on my list. I trade the same stocks, basically, the same ones that I know can move. All right. So as always, check me out at tradingwars.com. If you want to trade with me tomorrow, you could sign up here for the rooms, or if you get any one of my 3 books, you get 1 month for free in the room. All right. So hoping to see some of you guys here tomorrow. Let's keep it positive. Let's keep the PNL positive. Thank you so much for your time. And don't forget to comment. We are going to do giveaways on Sunday like we always do. So if you comment on this video, you have a chance to win the giveaway. So please go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know how your trading went today, or let me know, if you have any questions about anything. All right. Thank you so much, guys. I'll catch you tomorrow. Take care.